2 premieres instead of 1. Starting in 2021, Apple will hold 2 conferences with the launch of new smartphones, one in the first half of the year and one in the second. The exact and even approximate dates for these events at the time of publication of the material were not voiced by experts. Nevertheless, it is likely that the first Apple premiere of the new strategy will be held annually in March. The company has experience in the release of new gadgets during this period. For example, the first generation compact iPhone SE was released in March 2016, and in March 2019, Apple released the 5th generation iPad mini tablet. The second premiere of Apple smartphones may be scheduled for September. It is this month that she shows her new mobile phones over the past few years. A similar scheme in relation to its flagships is followed by Samsung. In the first quarter, it demonstrates the Galaxy S line of smartphones. For example, the S9 was released in February 2018, the S10 in February 2019, and the Galaxy Note series is updated in the third quarter, mainly in August. For example, Note 10 Samsung showed on August 7, 2019.